Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage, and we have an exciting new package. You guys have heard me talk about this 2005 Ford Ranger. Well, we finally got the engine in. We'll say engine for those people who really struggle when I say motor, because it drives them crazy, but we've got an engine in. And so if you come look here, you can see what kind it is. It's the 2018 3.5 liter Raptor engine assembly. So this is the 450 horsepower, brand new crate Raptor motor. Ford only made 5 of these that they sold, and we managed to pick up 1 of them. And so we're pretty excited. We'll take this top off, see if we can get this off. And there it is. We'll have to get a knife to cut that. We're pretty stoked about it. I'm excited to get this put in that Ranger. Again, 2018-19 Ford Raptor motor, engine, whichever you like. A lot of horsepower, brand new rear end, and fast. That's all I can say is fast. Leland, I need a knife.
Your screwdriver work?
No, it'll make me struggle.
Andy, pocket knife. What? Pocket knife.
Here. There she is, she's cute. Just a tiny little engine. Small displacement, but a lot of air is gonna move through this thing and make this thing really cruise. 450 horsepower, that's what these Raptors are. This truck we're putting it in is about 2,500 pounds less than the 2019 Raptor trucks. And so the truck's lighter, it's gonna be more nimble. The gear ratio will be about a 389 gears in this thing, posi traction. And with this thing, that truck's gonna rip. It's gonna shred some tires. Check it out, brand new crate motor, Raptor motor. I'm excited to get this one in. It's gonna be cool. Stay tuned for this one.